This is how it's gonna be. This is what you think of me. It's going down like I told you. This is how it's gonna be. I'll be the last man standing here. I'm not going anywhere. It's going down like I told you. I'll be the last man standing here. I'm gonna rock you. I'm gonna rock you. I'm gonna rock you. I'll have you begging for mercy, begging for mercy. Oh, I'm dangerous. So dangerous. I'm dangerous. So dangerous. I'm the baddest mother up in here, and I'm about to make it clear. It's going down like I told you. I'm the baddest mother up in here. I'm gonna rock you. I'm gonna rock you. I'm gonna rock you. I'll have you begging for mercy, begging for mercy. Oh, I'm dangerous. So dangerous. I'm dangerous. Get ready, 'cause here I come. I'm about to come and get me some. Hot as a smoking gun. So get ready, 'cause here I come. I'm gonna rock you. I'm gonna rock you. I'm gonna rock you. I'll have you begging for mercy, begging for mercy. Oh, I'm dangerous. So dangerous. I'm dangerous. So dangerous. La, 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 la. La, la,
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tay. Sana na-enjoy mo yung surprise ni na ate tsaka ni na kuya. Ayun lang. We love you. Sana nag-enjoy ka.
Ako paboritong anak na lalaki ng aking tatay. Ako naman ang lalaki niya. Maraming happy birthday tayo. Sana natuwa ka sa munting sorpresa namin para sa'yo. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
Thank you.
Salamat daw sa lahat.
Thank you, Kang.
Tatay, happy birthday!
Thank you very much. Kumusta na?
Sana na-surprise ka namin.
Gulat nga ako, hindi ko akalain.
Maraming salamat sa lahat. Happy birthday. Talagahan mo ang sarili mo. Ang dalangin namin, maging malakas ka. At syempre, more years. Salamat sa pag-aalaga mo sa amin at na-extend sa pag-aalaga sa apo mo. Habang kami wala dyan sa Pilipinas.
Ano ba yun? Bakit mo?
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Tatay. Mahal ka namin.
Thank you.
Enjoy mo yung yung time mo with Kuya, especially na nakauwi sila para sa birthday mo.
Thank you.
Ingatan mo lagi ang kalusugan mo. Gusto ka pa namin makasama ng mahaba.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr.
Birthday.
Thank you.
Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Batch, maluto.
Ayan ako.
No words in the dictionary can express the feeling I had to say happy birthday to you, Batch Maluto.
Yes, Jonah.
And at your age, all I can say, just like me and all others, enjoy life na tayo.
Kabas kong 70 ngayon. Sa lahat na isang makabas namin, dalawa itong hinahangaan ko. Dalawang byudo na talagang mahal na mahal nila yung yumawang mga asawa nila. Dahil hanggang ngayon, hindi sila kumuha ng kapalit. Talagang napakatibay ng kanilang mga pagmamahala kahit wala na. Yun lang, at sana mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Happy birthday, kapatid kong Gabi Jr. Sana marami kang birthday ang dumating sa buhay mo. At ang daming magkakapatid na malay, huwag kang sana ay magandang kalusugan ang maramdaman mo. Maraming salamat. Happy birthday ulit.